The electric car industry has exploded from niche experiments to a full-blown tech revolution. Every year brings leaps in battery tech, charging speeds and performance that were unthinkable a decade ago. Now, it's not just a few companies. Every major automaker is in the game, and innovation is constant. Software updates unlock new features overnight, and new battery chemistries are pushing range and design boundaries. From supercar-fast sedans to trucks that can power your house, the landscape is evolving fast. Yet, it feels like we're only scratching the surface. So, what's next for EVs? Let's dive into the trends shaping the future. Let's talk about autonomous driving, the dream of cars that drive themselves. We've moved from basic driver assistance to the edge of true self-driving, where the car handles everything. Imagine telling your car your destination, then relaxing while it does the work. Companies like Waymo, Cruise, and Tesla are racing to make this a reality, pouring billions into software and sensors. EVs are the perfect platform. Their electronic systems and big batteries power the sensors and computers needed for autonomy. These cars process massive amounts of data, mapping their surroundings and predicting movement with superhuman awareness. The promise: fewer accidents, more free time, and a total rethinking of what a car is. Robotaxis are already operating in some cities, learning and improving with every mile. The future: your car could drive itself to a charger, plug in, and return to you. Mobility as a seamless service. Legal and safety questions remain, but the tech is advancing relentlessly. Soon, the appeal of an EV won't just be zero emissions, it'll be reclaiming your time. The car becomes a mobile living space, not just a machine you drive. This shift is one of the most profound changes coming to transportation, and EVs are leading the way. The road to full autonomy is long, but the destination is in sight. The synergy between EVs and self-driving tech is set to transform how we move. The next decade will redefine our relationship with cars. The question isn't if, but when. The future of driving is hands-free, and it's closer than you think.